and it's an inspiring story and a remarkable story because, it would be great if you could just convey our thanks to your staff for what they've done, because I know you're winning awards, and quite right too, but that they must feel proud, but also I think it's really important to understand how proud you make other people feel of what you've done. You know, there's a shared pride here. It's great for us to be able to point to these examples of, you know, businesses, companies, sectors that have, in the face of, you know, dramatic demand and a real need on the front line. I mean, it's hard sometimes to remember just what March and April felt like when, I mean, it's slightly because it dropped off in the summer and we've been in restrictions, we got a bit more used to it. But there was that sense of being almost overwhelmed. I don't know whether you've seen, there's a program called The Hospital, I think it was, a 4-part series.
Yeah.
And it conveyed, I think, better than anything else I've seen, the sense of, you know, not quite the desperation on the front line, but the, you know, it was with minutes to go that things were happening, and it could, I mean, as it happens, the NHS didn't topple over, but it got very close in a number of areas, and it was only because of the sort of efforts of yourselves, your staff, etc., that didn't happen. And we must never forget what that felt like, and that people sort of rose to that in the moment is an incredible thing. And if you could convey our thanks to all your staff, we'd be really grateful to you, and convey not just our thanks, but the fact that they instill in us a pride in you know, everybody, and you know, businesses across the UK who did what you did and stepped up into that space. And it is actually an inspiring, remarkable thing. And that's what the page on the history book will, I think, post. And that is incredible.
Well,
thank you.
Maybe you'd like to attribute a quote for us there, Keir. That'd be very helpful.
I will do. Yes, that's a deal. Good. Look, thank you very much. I hope that we'll be able to see you again in person at some stage.